Hey you, thanks for stopping by. Today I'll be making green bean casserole. Let's get started. Okay, I have my pan heated up. Here I have a few pieces of bacon, maybe about 4 or 5 I think I have. And I've just chopped them up. We're going to get them into the pan. We're going to get these cooked up. Okay, we're almost there. So we're going to add some chopped onions. That's a little less than half of an onion. I also have some mushrooms that I've rinsed off and chopped up. Bacon and onions always smell so good together. We're going to let this go for a couple more minutes. Okay. Now I'm going to turn this off. I'm going to strain this and set it aside. Okay, in the same pan, I'm adding my 2 cans of string beans, 2 small cans. And I have some Nature's. I'm going to sprinkle some of that on. And I always rinse my green beans in a can because I don't like that taste. Not so good to me. I'm going to taste one. I'm going to add a little bit more. I'm going to add about 4 tablespoons of butter. Soft butter. Pan is still a little warm. I have 4 ounces, which is a half a package of cream cheese. Could have been softer, but this is going to work. I'm going to get this all mixed up. Okay, we have that mixed. And I changed to a soft spatula because I don't want to break up my green beans. And that tastes good all by itself. Now we're going to add in 1 can of cream of mushroom soup. Toss this around. And the onions and the mushrooms and the bacon going in. Going in. So just turn it over. Get everything mixed through. Let me taste this. Good. Okay. My oven is heated at 380. Let's get this in here. I'm going to put this in the oven. I'm going to let it go for about 45 minutes, 35, 45 minutes. Can you see what it looks like? Gonna put a top on it, and into the oven we go. Well, not us, but the casserole. That's been 45 minutes, so I'm going to add these fried onions to the top, and then I have my oven on 400. I'm going to put some of these on top. I'm going to put these in and let them brown and crisp up. I don't want to put too many. And then our casserole will be done. It's quite enough. And you, of course, put as many on the top as you like. Okay. Right here. And we're going back into the oven at 400. I'm going to try 5 minutes, and if they're not brown enough, I'm going to try a couple more minutes. Might not even take 5 minutes. You have to keep an eye on them, though. On it. You don't want them to burn. There you have it. It's really hot. If you listen, you can hear it. But I'm going to let it cool, and then we're going to taste it. So let that cool for a minute. I'm going to just taste a little. They're extra crunchy. Still really hot. Can you see it? The steam. I'm going to taste a little bit. Oh yeah, it's really tasty. But a few more shakes of my seasoning salt would have been over the top, so be careful with that. But it's really good. Oh yeah, might want to consider making this for one of your holidays. You're gonna love it. Well, thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to pray. Stay safe. And stay blessed in these trying times. It's really getting a little scary. A lot scary. Just take care of yourself. Until next time, I love you. I really do. Talk to you guys later. One more little taste while you're still here with me. Guess we're going to be down for 3 more weeks, huh? Pray. Don't stop praying. Mm.